Welcome back to the Laundry Bubble channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's essential to every household: laundry detergent. There are so many different laundry detergents on the market, each with its own unique features and benefits. In this video, we're going to review some of the most popular laundry detergents and share our honest opinions on their effectiveness. Let's get started. First up, Tide Original. This detergent has been around for years and is a popular choice among consumers. We'll talk about its cleaning power, scent, and whether it's worth the price. Gain Flings next. These convenient pods are easy to use and come in a variety of scents. We'll talk about their effectiveness in removing stains and whether they're safe for use in high-efficiency washing machines. 7th Generation Free and Clear for those with sensitive skin or allergies. 7th Generation Free and Clear is a great option. It's free from dyes, fragrances, and artificial brighteners. But does it still get the job done? We'll find out. Persil Pro Clean. Persil Pro Clean is a newer player in the laundry detergent market, but it's gained a lot of fans with its powerful cleaning formula. We'll talk about its effectiveness in removing tough stains and whether it's worth the higher price tag. Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean. Last but not least, this detergent is known for its affordability and ability to remove even the toughest stains. We'll talk about its cleaning power and whether it lives up to its promises. Let's look at Tide Original. Tide Original is a classic laundry detergent that has been around for decades. It's known for its powerful cleaning formula and fresh scent. But does it live up to its reputation? Let's find out. First, let's talk about its cleaning power. Tide Original is advertised as being able to remove even the toughest stains, such as grass, grease, and blood. We put it to the test by washing a load of heavily soiled clothes, and we were impressed with the results. The clothes came out clean and fresh smelling, with no trace of the stains. However, we did notice that some of the colors had faded slightly, which is something to keep in mind if you're washing bright or dark-colored clothes. Next, let's talk about the scent. Tide Original has a classic, fresh scent that many people love. However, if you're sensitive to strong scents or prefer fragrance-free detergents, this may not be the best option for you. We found that the scent lingered on our clothes even after they were dry, which could be a pro or a con depending on your personal preference. Finally, let's talk about the price. Tide Original is one of the more expensive laundry detergents on the market, but many people feel that it's worth the extra cost for its cleaning power and fresh scent. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are more affordable options available. Overall, we would recommend Tide Original for those who want a powerful, fresh-scented laundry detergent and don't mind paying a bit extra for it. Just be mindful of its potential to fade colors and its strong scent. Next, we'll look at Gain Flings. Gain Flings are a popular laundry detergent option that come in convenient pods. They're known for their pleasant scents and easy-to-use packaging, but how well do they actually clean your clothes? First, let's talk about their cleaning power. Gain Flings are advertised as being able to remove tough stains, including grease and dirt. We put them to the test by washing a load of clothes with some of the most common stains, such as grass, oil, and chocolate. We were impressed with the results. The clothes came out clean and smelling great, with no trace of the stains. We also appreciated the convenience of the pods, which made measuring the detergent a breeze. Next, let's talk about the scents. Gain Flings come in a variety of scents, such as Original, Island Fresh, and Moonlight Breeze. We tried the Original scent and found it to be pleasant and not too overpowering. However, if you're sensitive to strong scents, you may want to opt for a fragrance-free detergent instead. One thing to note about Gain Flings is that they're not recommended for use in high-efficiency washing machines. This is because the pods don't dissolve as easily in the lower water levels of these machines, which can leave behind residue and potentially cause damage to the machine. Finally, let's talk about the price. Gain Flings are generally more expensive than traditional liquid or powder detergents, but their convenience and cleaning power may make them worth the extra cost. Overall, we would recommend Gain Flings for those who want a convenient and effective laundry detergent with a pleasant scent. Just be sure to use them in a standard washing machine, and keep in mind that they're a bit more expensive than other options. Third, we'll look at 7th Generation Free and Clear. 7th Generation Free and Clear is a laundry detergent that's advertised as being gentle on both your clothes and the environment. It's free of dyes, fragrances, and harsh chemicals, but does it still get your clothes clean? First, let's talk about its cleaning power. 7th Generation Free and Clear is designed to be effective at removing dirt and stains without the use of harsh chemicals. We put it to the test by washing a load of clothes with some of the most common stains, such as grass and coffee. While it didn't remove the stains as completely as some other detergents we tried, it did a decent job and left our clothes feeling soft and clean. Next, let's talk about its gentleness. 7th generation Free and Clear is a great option for those with sensitive skin, allergies, or concerns about the environment. It's made with plant-based ingredients and doesn't contain any artificial fragrances or dyes. We found that it didn't irritate our skin, and the lack of fragrance meant that our clothes didn't have a strong scent. One thing to note about 7th generation Free and Clear is that it's a bit more expensive than other options on the market. However, if you're looking for a gentle, environmentally friendly detergent, the extra cost may be worth it. Overall, we would recommend 7th generation Free and Clear for those with sensitive skin or environmental concerns. It may not be the most powerful stain-fighting detergent out there, but its gentle formula and plant-based ingredients make it a great option for those who prioritize those qualities. Just be prepared to pay a bit more for it. Next, we'll look at Persil Pro Clean. Persil Pro Clean is a laundry detergent that claims to provide a deep clean for your clothes, even in cold water. It's available in both liquid and pod form and is advertised as being effective at removing tough stains. But does it live up to its claims? First, let's talk about its cleaning power. We put Persil Pro Clean to the test by washing a load of clothes with some of the most common stains, such as grass and wine. We were impressed with how well it removed the stains. Our clothes came out looking and smelling fresh, with no trace of the stains. We also appreciated that it can be used in cold water, which can save energy and money. Next, let's talk about its scent. Persil Pro Clean is available in a variety of scents, such as Original, Intense Fresh, and Stain Fighter. We tried the original scent and found it to be pleasant and not too overpowering. However, if you're sensitive to strong scents, you may want to opt for a fragrance-free detergent instead. One thing to note about Persil Pro Clean is that it's a bit more expensive than some other options on the market. However, we found that its cleaning power and ability to be used in cold water make it worth the extra cost. Overall, we would recommend Persil Pro Clean for those who want a powerful laundry detergent that can remove tough stains and be used in cold water. It may be a bit more expensive than other options, but its effectiveness and versatility make it a great choice. Just be sure to follow the instructions carefully, as using too much detergent can lead to excess suds and residue on your clothes. Finally, we have Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean. Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean is a laundry detergent that combines the power of Arm & Hammer baking soda with the stain-fighting ability of OxiClean. It's designed to be effective at removing tough stains and odors while also keeping your clothes looking bright and clean. But does it deliver on its promises? First, let's talk about its cleaning power. We put Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean to the test by washing a load of clothes with some of the most common stains, such as chocolate and sweat. We were impressed with how well it removed the stains. Our clothes came out looking and smelling fresh, with no trace of the stains. We also appreciated that it can be used in all types of washing machines, including high-efficiency heat machines. Next, let's talk about its scent. Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean is available in a variety of scents, such as Fresh Scent, Clean Burst, and Perfume and Dye-Free. We tried the Clean Burst scent and found it to be pleasant and not too overpowering. However, if you're sensitive to strong scents, you may want to opt for a fragrance-free detergent instead. One thing to note about Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean is that it's a bit more affordable than some other options on the market. This makes it a great choice for those who want a powerful laundry detergent but don't want to break the bank. Overall, we would recommend Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean for those who want a budget-friendly laundry detergent that can remove tough stains and keep their clothes looking clean and bright. Its combination of baking soda and OxiClean makes it a powerful option, and its variety of scents allows you to choose the one that best suits your preferences. Just be sure to follow the instructions carefully, as using too much detergent can lead to excess suds and residue on your clothes. And there you have it, our honest reviews of some of the most popular laundry detergents on the market. Of course, everyone's preferences and needs are different, so what works for one person may not work for another. But we hope that our reviews have helped you make an informed decision about which laundry detergent to try next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and laundry tips.